Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you my sandwich recipe breakfast, so stay tuned guys. So in this recipe, the bread I use is cornbread with mayonnaise. Yeah, as you can see. I also use ketchup. Yeah, this is the ketchup I use. It's also a little bit pepper. It has pepper in it. So to proceed on this recipe, all I'm gonna do is just to slice the bread, as you can see. Then after that I'll just add all the ingredients I want to use for the recipe. Yeah guys, the ingredient is optional. If you decide to add any other thing, you have any other thing you want to add inside, is okay. So keep watching guys. So right now I just finished slicing the bread to my taste. I will just add my mayonnaise and my ketchup. Yeah, actually guys, remember I'm just preparing this recipe to my taste, don't forget that. So the ketchup I'm adding inside is not that much. This is how I want it. At the same time, the mayonnaise I'm gonna add will not be much. Yes, I'm just adding just a little bit, then that is it. So right now what I'm adding on it is some veggies like cabbage, carrots, and some green leaf. Just add any veggies of your choice. Like I said, what I'm adding on this inside at this moment is salad veggies. So at the same time I'll just add up my meat. You can as well use any choice of your meat. Yeah, so keep watching guys. So guys, now I'm done adding all the things I want inside. This is how I want it to be. So you can add anything you want. You can add onions, what have you, anything of your choice, but this is how I want it. I enjoy it this way. So keep watching. What I'm gonna do next, as you can see, I just finished with the bread, adding all the things I want. So the next step is to add my frying pan on the fire, then put a little bit of butter. Guys, remember the fire must be on a low heat. Yes guys. So at this moment I'm just brushing up the pan with the butter. Yeah, so right now I will proceed by adding my bread inside. And let it to steam. I will leave it on the fire for about 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat. Then after then I will just turn it to the other side. So I will proceed the same step on the other side, leave it to about 3 to 5 minutes. Then my sandwich is ready. You can see my sandwich is ready and the taste is delicious. So guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember, your thoughts is needed at the comment section down below. Many thanks for watching. See you in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.
Yo.